Hello everyone, this is Ideal Eileen and welcome back to my channel. For today's video is another tutorial video and I'm gonna show you how to receive money via Western Union to GCash app. At kung ikaw ay isang GCash app user, pwede mo nang i-receive yung money remittance mo from Western Union kahit nasa bahay ka lang. So, if you're interested to know, please keep on watching. First, open natin ang ating GCash app. Full na yung ating pagka-cash in ng ating remittance galing sa Western Union. So, pupunta tayo sa pinaka-dashboard or doon sa unahang-unahan. So, ito yung ating dashboard. Kung mapapansin nyo po, pumasok na yung available balance or yung amount na sinend sa atin via Western Union. So, ganun lang siya kadali at kasimple. Marireceive mo na kagad yung remittances sa iyo from abroad or from other country. After mong ma-receive or after mong ma-cash in yung cash, pwede ka nang mag-log out. Makaka-receive ka din ng text confirmation or text message from GCash na naka-receive ka ng remittance from other country or from Western Union. Tap mo lang yung messages and then makikita mo yung messages niya is you have received the amount from your sender via Western Union. So, meron pa siyang additional information na ganito na sure na nag-successful yung iyong remittance. Surely, makatulong sa iyo ang video na ito kung paano natin i-cash in ang ating Western Union received money sa ating GCash app account. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang maging updated sa mga susunod pang videos.